Hello! In this tutorial I would like to have a look at the missing values with you. We will again work with our height dataset example, as you can see. We always strive to collect complete sets of data when we are conducting a research or something, but it is often the case that we have missing data. There might be various reasons for this. For example, in long questionnaires, participants accidentally miss out questions, or in research on delicate topics, participants may exert their right not to answer a question. But just because we are missing some data for a participant, that doesn't mean that we have to ignore the data we do have, although it sometimes creates statistical difficulties. But we have to tell SPSS that a value is missing for a particular case. And the principle behind missing values is quite similar to that of coding variables. What we will do is that we choose a number to represent the missing data point. This value tells SPSS that there is no recorded value for a participant for a certain variable. The computer then ignores that cell of the data editor. That means that it does not use the value you select in the analysis. So, let's say that the participant number 4 forgot to specify his or her nationality in a questionnaire. So I will delete this score. So it's our missing value. How to deal with this? Let's go to variable view. To specify missing values, click in the column missing. We are talking about the variable nationality and column missing, and open the dialog box. And by default, SPSS assumes that no missing value exists, as you can see here. But if you do have data with missing values, you can select discrete missing values, which are single values that represent missing data. Let's define that, for example, 999 will be our missing value. You need to be careful here that the chosen code does not correspond to any naturally occurring data value. For example, if we tell the computer to regard the value 2 as missing value now, and several participants score 2, which is our code referring to non-Austrians or other nationalities, then the computer will treat all the 2 scores as missing, when in reality they are not. So you should be careful about what values you are choosing here. SPSS allows you to specify up to 3 discrete values to represent missing data, as you can see here. And the reason why you might choose to have several numbers to represent missing values is that you can assign a different meaning to each discrete value. For example, you could have the number 9 representing a response of not applicable, code of 99 representing, let's say, I don't know answer, and the code of 999 meaning that the participant failed to give any response. But usually one discrete value should be sufficient. Okay, let's click on OK. Now the missing value is defined, and if we go to data view, we can just type 999 here, and SPSS will refer to this data as to missing value. I hope that after watching this tutorial, it is clear what you should do with your missing values in your data. Thank you for watching the tutorial.